everyone. Today we will be looking at 2018 IGKO paper class 4 set A. 2018 paper set A class 4. General awareness first part. First question, which one of the following help in converting milk into curd? Options: viruses, fungi, bacteria, protozoa. Which is the correct option? C is the correct option, bacteria. Bacteria helps in converting milk into curd. Next question, the study of insect is called entomology, pathology, virology, microbiology. The study of insect is entomology. So A is the correct option. Next question, Tom and Jerry is an American animated series of short films. The series features fights between Tom and Jerry. In his attempts to catch Jerry, Tom often has to deal with an angry, vicious bulldog. What is the name of the dog? Brian, Spike, Pluto, Snoopy. Which is that dog? Spike. So B is the correct option. Next question. Who wrote the famous poem The Charge of the Light Brigade? Johannes Gutenberg, René Descartes, Christopher Marlowe, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Here Alfred Lord Tennyson. D is the correct option. Next question, the given figure is made up of identical squares. Find the perimeter of the given figures. So from here, how many sides are from here to here in this figure? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 sides with 3. 22 into 3, that is 66. So B is the correct option. Next question, categorize the programs marked as 1, 2, 3 and 4 in terms of system software and application software. iOS, Android, YouTube, Chrome. System software and application software. So 1 and 2 are system softwares. This YouTube and Chrome are application software. So here 1 and 2 are in system software. So which is the correct option? B is the correct option. 3 and 4 are in application software. So B is the correct option. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? The sebum glands produce sebum which prevents our skin from getting too dry. The adrenal gland is located just above the heart. Vitamin A is needed for good eyesight. Vitamin D is produced in the body when skin is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is produced in the body when skin is exposed to light. That is true. Vitamin A is needed for good eyesight. That's also true. The adrenal gland is located just above the heart. No, it's not true because adrenal gland is situated above the kidneys. So, where is the adrenal gland? Here, this is the adrenal gland. So, above the kidneys. So, it is not correct. Adrenal gland is located just above the heart is not correct. So, B is the correct option. Here, the sebum glands produce sebum which prevents our skin from getting too dry. That's also correct. So, incorrect statement is B. 7B. Next question, who among the following is known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Kamala Nehru, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Here Sarojini Naidu is known as Nightingale of India. Next question, 9th one. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of various gases. Which of the following best describes the composition of atmosphere? Oxygen 78%, nitrogen 21%, others 1%. Oxygen 60%, nitrogen 30%, others 10%. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, others 1%. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 1%. Here which is correct? Nitrogen is the largest amount. So nitrogen 78%, nitrogen is correct. Also in these two options, oxygen 21% is correct. Then others 1% is the correct option. Not carbon dioxide 1% is not correct. Others 1%. That is the composition of gases in atmosphere. So 9C is the correct option. Next question. He is a Norwegian chess prodigy who became a grandmaster at the age of 13. He defeated world champion Vishwanathan Anand to claim the title. Who is the famous young man? Bobby Fischer, Magnus Carlsen, Vladimir Karnik, Sergei Karjakin. Here, which is the correct option? B. Magnus Carlsen is the correct option. Next question. The major types of cell in our blood cells are dash in number. There are 3 in number. The major types of cells in our blood cells are WBC, RBC and platelet. So 3 in number. WBC, RBC and platelet. So 3 in number. Next question. He is a snowman made by Anna and Elsa in their childhood. Elsa unknowingly brought him to life. He leads Anna and her friends to Elsa's hideaway. Who is this extraordinary snowman? Sven, Peter, Christoph, Olaf. Olaf is the correct answer and 12D is the correct option. Next question. Acid rain is caused due to water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution. Due to air pollution, acid rain is coming. So 13B is the correct answer. Next question. Who is known as the father of robotics? Alexander Graham Bell, Joseph Engelberger, Charles Darwin, Douglas Engelbart. Here 14B is the correct answer, Joseph Engelberger. Next question. If a boy who is happy is a glad lad, then find 2 words that mean a dog or a cat that has been out in the rain. Remember, your words must rhyme. Jet set, sick, chick, snail mail, wet pet. So 15D is the correct answer, wet pet. Next question, 16th one. Select the correct option. Spain dollar, Bangladesh euro, Sri Lanka rupee, Japan dinar. Here the country and currency. So Spain currency is not dollar, euro. Euro is the currency of Spain. Bangladesh, which is the currency of Bangladesh? Bangladeshi taka is the currency of Bangladesh, so not euro. So this is also incorrect. Sri Lanka, the currency is rupees. That's correct. Japan, yen. Yen is the currency. Japan is yen. So Which is the correct option? Sri Lanka rupee is the correct option. So C is the correct option. Next question. Who among the following gave the slogan Delhi Chalo? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Here the slogan Delhi Chalo gave Subhash Chandra Bose. So 17C. Next question. Winners of modern Olympic event are presented with a gold, silver and bronze medals. What did winners of each event of ancient Olympic Games held long ago in Greece receive? Silver medal, copper medal, olive wreath, bouquet. Olive wreath is the correct answer. 18C. Next question. 19th. Who was the first earthling mammal to orbit the Earth in 1957 in Sputnik 2 launched by the Soviet Union? Laika, Coco, Ham, Felicite. Laika the dog. That is 19A is the correct answer. Next question. Identify the given yoga pose. Bridge pose, bow pose, boat pose, cobra pose. This is like a bow. So, it is a bow pose. 20B is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. We'll be coming soon back. Subscribe the channel for more such sessions. Bye.